Hi guys, welcome back to another video from JC Trading, and it's Chris with you today. We've just taken this trade in our live stream and Discord, and I thought I'd share it with you because it's an A+ setup and they don't come around very often, especially at the moment because price action has been pretty pants. It's been awful. So I just wanted to share it with you and to show you really what I'm looking for an A+ setup. So the first thing that we're looking for is a sweep. So we've got this structure here, there's high low there. We've also got some structure over here. These candles come down and we swept all of that liquidity from there up. So we've got a tick in the box for that. We also tapped into a higher time frame fair value gap, which was around this area here. And that was a 5 minute. So ideally, the higher time frame fair value gaps, I like to be between 3 and 5 minutes. This was a 5, so as good as it gets. We also only had one fair value gap. So this is the fair value gap here. We only had one fair value gap on the leg that come down to put in the sweep. So that's good. We also had a minimum of a 1-to-1 between candle close and the next area of liquidity, which was there. So that was the next area of liquidity. So at the point of hitting that trade, hitting this area there, everyone went break even and then either took profits or left it as break even and left everything on the table. There was a few different ways that people dealt with this trade today. Some took their profits at that high there. Some took their profits around this point here, and some was about 1 to 7, which was around here. So you had some people there, some people there, some people there. I personally like to go break even when we hit the first area of liquidity. And then what I do is I move a virtual stop loss up, so a line on my chart, and I follow market structure. And when the candle closes below that line, that's then when I manually exit the trade. I just wanted to show you this because it's an A+ setup. It's as good as it gets from my perspective anyway. Very clear sweep. Higher time frame fair value gap, which was a 5 minute, single fair value gap on the leg down. Nice inversion, so the candle close was good. We had a minimum of a 1-to-1, so everything about this trade was absolutely perfect. The members obviously caught it. I say people got out at varying points, whether it was here, here, or up here, but an A+ setup, and I wanted to share it with you. We're trading live every day on our Discord. Monday to Friday, London Open and New York Open. If you're interested in this style of trading, we also trade the silver bullet. In fact, actually, while we're looking at that, let's have a look at the silver bullet on gold. This was a very, very nice trade. This was, I didn't take this for full transparency. It would have been around 5:45 in the morning for me. But it was in Asia, but it was absolutely textbook. We had a previous range high here. We swept that. We had a market structure shift there, and we had a retracement back up into the extreme fair value gap. When you've taken a range high like that, typically we're targeting the opposing range liquidity, which was down here. So that's the low of the range that got swept. So the entry would have been here, and then price has come down all the way down and just wicked past the take profit, which was there, and then decided to take off to the upside. But we are starting to trade gold a little more in the group, purely because NQ price action has been a bit questionable of late. But yes, I digress. If you're interested in silver bullets or inverses, pop over to the Discord. It'd be great to see you, and I'll hopefully chat with you there. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.